Because today I was telling about how to make an Instagram story photo with music. For that, I was going to Instagram account and here I was tapping on your story, and here I was choosing one picture. Um, I was choosing one picture. Where. So here I was choosing this Taj Mahal picture, and here I was adding the music of Taj Mahal. So here when you tap on the music symbol, you can see here after typing that, here I was searching of Taj Mahal song, and here I was choosing the Taj Mahal song. Uh, so after that we need to click on done and make a story. Thank you.